I salute all the women in the world and wish to congratulate CBI as they celebrate the launch of the WCB program and also the 20th anniversary. Thank you very much, CBI, for giving us this opportunity. I feel honored as a woman, and I feel very, very, very honored again because we are going to touch the lives of women. It is very important when we as women, or we as the world, sit down and think of solutions that are gonna change women's life, not only women's but also other people's lives in the world. We know that today women are the ones that are mostly impacted by climate change, but also at the same time we must agree that women are the ones that have the ability of bringing change to the community and adaptation, because personally I call them the weapons, or the secret weapons to tackling issues of climate change. Sometimes I look at the way the African woman is tortured by these issues, and it's really painful. So I keep on asking myself, what do we do? Are we doing enough? So we are not doing enough. That is why people like CBI are coming up with these solutions. We know sometimes, these modern women sit in the offices, or when we're walking around, we can afford to buy a sunscreen to protect our skin. We can be able to buy a bottle of water to quench our thirst. We can feed our children well. But really, when you look at the African woman, the woman that goes to the shamba to look for food, to harvest, or to plant, and she doesn't know if she's going to harvest anything. She doesn't know if the rains are gonna come, or the rains will come and floods will sweep her and her family away. She really doesn't know what tomorrow holds because of these climate change issues. So it is up to us to sit together. We are the think tanks. We come together, sit and come up with solutions like these trainings that are gonna impact women, that are gonna give them solutions, that things that they'll take back to their homes, their countries, so that they change the rest, and it becomes like a chain or cycle. And in future we will sit down and say, yes, we didn't conquer climate change, but we did something. Look at the lives you have changed. Look at how we have impacted people. These people are no longer dying because of climate change. They have learned to live with it because climate change is here to stay. So we are really honored to have this training, and I know that it's gonna change the lives of the African women, and not only 1 to 40 African women, but 1 million African women. Thank you very much.